In front of me is Redmi 17 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find Google folder and click on it. Then select Files app. Now hit continue. Use gray switcher next to allow access to manage all files. And then select download section. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are here. To open one, click on it. And to manage one, use those three dots on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!